teachers make it simpler way so that they can learn and remember more easily, because time is very less. So in a short time they have to grab everything. So they depend on the notes of the teacher also, but not in all subjects. Say in science they have to follow the board work, very important blackboard work. Teacher deducts they see the steps and it keeps as a photograph in their memory. After that, give the lecture in the class, just like college, and talk to them. You are not small. You are now elderly person. So you have to listen. And after that, we provide them with the questionnaires. These questionnaires will make them to talk with us, to talk with the teachers. And when they are feeling free with the teachers, they come and talk to the teacher, ask what they cannot follow in the class. Sometimes it may happen out of 65 students, all may not be able to come near to the teacher. So they feel shy also, because I am not a very good student, I cannot go to the teacher. This system will break. 35 students appeared, regular, all passed, and from commerce 54 students appeared and 4 failed, so 50 passed.
Consistency is very important, and even I'll say the same. Maintaining consistency is very important. Like, you don't have to study 6 hours from the very beginning. You can just revise whatever is taught in the school, and then during the end of the year, during December, January, you can put the little extra effort. But again, I'll say that teachers are very, very important, I'll say.
It was something which I really struggled to overcome. I used to listen to songs, and then I used to play cricket. After the school, that some whatever little time we got, just 5 minutes, 10 minutes, just let's play cricket, or just let's listen to song, or let's just having some discussion with friends, like not related to studies, just like that only, to relax my mind and those things. What I feel is that stress, it's a very natural thing. Whenever you're studying and all, you will naturally find stress, but in order to overcome that, I guess it's important not to overthink about what you'll be getting, like I need to get the first position, I need to get such percentage. Just do it and don't worry about the outcome.
CBSE books, because those questions in CBSE books are mostly tricky than as compared to NCERT.